You people are just corny people. You see, corny man die, corny man go bury him. That is what you go should do. It happen to me, not me say no go happen to you. My own deportation, I feel use an LSC, I feel use and become any other thing, I feel use and change game. But if the one will go happen to you, most of them when they lie. Maybe not better die for now. Maybe not children go die for now. Because I need to swear for some people when you don't get sense. Because my own father first die for a year. So you see one man that one still die for a year, they don't do like that. Me as now see me, so me not they die. If I follow a day the same way, the same society, or the same anything, you know they affect me. Now hear me so now know as I take for Germany like that, you not very concern me. Because I make most of me, if I see now for Germany, if I affect die pass most many of them, because I don't get sense. Head not day.
Okay, may I say one thing? Yeah, you say one thing. The time when you dey airport, that time they hold you. Wait now. May I say one? Let me see.
Don't talk for my platform. Don't talk. If you talk my platform, I will block you. Not talk my platform.
Go escape me. They go teach you work. Maybe stop to the waste your time.
Hello.
You know whether me even get. You know whether I get escape. No, that's not the easy person. Less. I beg day your day, man.
Hello. Can I talk a little bit?
Yeah, you can talk. You can talk.
Okay, how do I do my camera? Wait, because everyone is talking without evidence. Me, I can show you my evidence, but I don't know how to flip the camera. To turn on the camera. You'll connect.
Want to show us? Want to show us evidence?
Can you? No, according to your situation, the way you are trying to tell them that it's not possible for them to break your document at the airport, you're supposed to enter and then they reject you in the land. Because I have the same situation, but mine it's done. So I wanted to show them the way it's supposed to be.
What happened to you?
Almost the same thing as yours, but I wasn't deported. I'm in the land and I finished my case on the 20th of May this month. And it happened on the 3rd of March 2026 this year. So I wanted to show you guys the papers, how it's supposed to be, but you have to send me the camera. I cannot turn on my camera.
Oh, no, you can explain, sister. Explain, people. If you cannot on the
no, you are on the big screen if you want. You are on the big screen. You can show something if you want. Let people will see it. I put you on the big screen. You can.
Okay.
You can show it.
Send camera giver. Send camera giver.
May you already sent me or. Okay. You see here. This is the date in Flughafen when they stopped me. Yeah. And I don't want to show.
We cannot see it. Sorry.
Oh,
we cannot
here.
see it.
We cannot see you. Put your hand in your camera and on your camera, please.
But it shows that it's. Oh my God! But it shows that
it's not showing anything. Put your hand in that screen that be like television. Put your hand so it can on.
Anyway, then I don't know how it works.
Okay, bro, send them video so you go put and go open. Yes, it's okay now.
Now it's open. You see, this is the date, the day they stopped me at the Flughafen. This is the time. You see.
Okay, we can see it now.
Flughafen, and these are my details. After all, you are given time maybe to call a lawyer or a godfather, someone who's supposed maybe to come and explain to you if maybe you have one. And you had a lawyer. I don't know what happened with your lawyer. So if your lawyer calls, before your lawyer calls, it's only this front page. I don't want you guys to see my details. But after the lawyer has called and everything has been said, what will happen? You'll be given 2 weeks to appear at the court to explain your situation. Why did you go? You see?
Okay.
After that,
my lawyer wrote them.
But maybe your lawyer is not strong and your lawyer never helped you. You understand? Then after that, when your lawyer calls, this back part, it will be printed and you have to appear at the court within 2 weeks. If you don't call your lawyer or a godfather, if you don't call a lawyer or a godfather is someone who is a citizen, can be your father, can be your mother, your sister, or your partner, but is supposed to be a citizen of the country. That's your godfather.
Yes.
If you don't have a lawyer, you need a godfather. So if you don't have a godfather, you contact a lawyer, of which I did, and then after that they will give you a debt of, here it is, this is my debt. You see?
20th of May. Yeah.
Yeah, and the day I went to court, it's the day my case ended, and here's the handshrift of the lawyer. Oh, sorry, of the magistrate. And then they will give you back.
Yes.
and they will give you back your plastic.
Okay.
And they will give you back your plastic or whichever document you are using.
Okay.
Yeah, this is recent. This is recent. But if you have a lawyer or a godfather who is a godfather or a godmother or any citizen of that country, that's what happens. You can go with your asylum document or whatever document. You can come and pretend that you didn't knew. That's why you went with it. But they're not supposed to break it at the airport.
Okay.
That is not correct. That is not correct. This is what I'm explaining to the people. But our African people, we don't know law. We don't want to do research.
No, it's not our African people. I'm also African.
Yeah, I know what you say is 100% true. Things are supposed to be like this.
Those 100% people talking, they are from same Nigeria.
Things
even from the same
things supposed to be like this. You don't things don't go like you see. I know somebody also.
Okay,
she was having
you know
blue
this.
passport.
Listen, bro.
Sister,
You see,
one
most of the people.
I just want to explain another story also.
Most
I know
of
one
the
woman
people
also.
they want to ask you which paragraph. Listen to me. As long as they told you are not supposed to go back to your country, it doesn't matter the paragraph. As long as you're not supposed to go back to your country of origin, it doesn't matter, number one. Number two, whichever the situation, they're not supposed to take your document at the airport unless you are a terrorist or you are a criminal, a big one. Maybe you break a bank, you went and break a jewelry shop, you did something big, or you killed. But attempting to do something, it doesn't warrant them to do whatever they did. So there is something, there is something, I'm sorry to say, there is something maybe you are not open to your audience. You're not telling your audience.
I swear to God Almighty.
If it's just traveling, those people
I swear
are not
to God
supposed
Almighty.
to take.
I did nothing. If I know German. If German caught me with something, they will put me in the jail underground. I know German.
Because you know what? They were supposed to give you your paper. If you called your lawyer because you said your father is a citizen, maybe he could have just called them and said you are under his you are like he's your guarantee. Like
I won't lie. I started calling my father because I know he owns the passport. Because for only him and the wife is a German. Two of them can stand for me. Only one can even stand for me. I started calling my father. My father's phone ring, and he blocked. He cut the call.
What about the lawyer? Because you know this is a one call away.
That's why I was calling the lawyer.
The lawyer if he's not coming there, the lawyer can just say this is my client, and I guarantee there is just that confirmation of email. A lawyer will write to how do I say to those police at the airport. Not
lawyer wrote to them.
Not at the airport that is guaranteeing blah blah blah. You just be stay. You could have stayed there because I landed at 6:40 when they hold me until 8 o'clock. I was gone. After they talked to my lawyer, I went home.
Okay. My lawyer wrote them. My lawyer wrote the court. Sent me everything. I asked the police, have you received the paper from my lawyer? They say yes. Because the paper was with me. I wanted to show it to them. They say yes, they have received it. So what now happened? They asked me to wait. I was waiting. I called my lawyer again. What is going on? My lawyer said he don't know what is wrong with them. He have given them everything they want. He has written them what they want. He has written to the court. He don't know what the police want, why they don't want to release me. Later, my lawyer shook head and said, there is something other than it.
Yes.
That's what my lawyer told me. And people other than it, I know I know them. I cannot be afraid. I know them. It was a setup. I know them.
Because if it's just going home with that document, it's not like that. Because I've shown you, mine is a live evidence. Leave alone those people who are just saying and they haven't passed through such type of a thing. Mine is an evidence. And another thing, when they took your phone, it was wrong for you maybe to start using it immediately, because you know those people are motherfuckers. Maybe you are doing some business which you are not supposed to do, and they came to find out later when they were, because they investigate you. First they take your phone and they take data. You know that?
Do you know what happened? These people did not even take my phone. I swear to, they did not even take my phone. I was having my phone in my hand. So when the time they said I should return with the same flight, it's my phone. I used to go live before they now took the phone. Later, the criminal police came. They asked them to give me my phone because I'm not a criminal in Deutschland. There is paper in Deutschland called Führerzeugnis. Do you know about Führerzeugnis?
Yeah.
Okay. I make Führerzeugnis jeden 5 Monate, jeden 6 Monate. Every 6 months, every 5 months, I make Führerzeugnis to show I'm not a criminal. And that Führerzeugnis is for
Did they tell you? Did they tell you to go to?
I don't sell drugs.
German
I don't
embassy?
smoke drugs.
Did they tell you to go to German embassy in Nigeria?
Yeah, they later told me to go. I told them, why going to German embassy in Nigeria when I can resolve everything here in Germany? Why go to German embassy?
No. You could have gone. You know, sometimes you're not supposed just to ignore some things. You could have gone. And if you had a godfather, it could be easier. Even 1 month is too much for you to go back to Germany. Do you know how many East Africans they have deported, but they go back within 6 months because of the godfather? I don't know if you Nigerians, you are close to each other like that. Like when someone gets deported, there is someone with a passport already who can be a godfather, or you can pay, because some people pay the godfather and godmother. Oh
Yeah.
my God, my network.
Yeah, no problem. Many Nigerians don't do it for fellow Nigerians. I have a father who have a passport, so I have a father. I have stepmother who have it. I have other people like I cannot say far relations, maybe from they have passport. They can do it for me if they want to. So
Benjamin, make I quick tell you one thing now. You know, because of this Nigeria guys when they come to trigger you. Listen, bro, 95% of Nigerians when they do for Germans, they actually want make them deport the Niger when you don't even get paper. To be honest with you, they know they happy to see their fellow Niger for German. I'm giving you 100%, you know, these guys. Them go no, say, a lot of our people, they German go deny them not to go to school, German go refuse to give them about aliveness and all this stuff.
Yeah.
Them know it that our people are not lazy to do stuff, but now the country put them for tight corner. This bastard will still come on media and tell them, say, you did Germany, you know they work. Why you don't work? When the country don't restrict you, you know it. Not to say you don't know it. You know it. Why are you not saying it on air that your people are the problem when you know that your people is not the problem? If there is people when they keep into law for this German, I will tell you 100% that Nigeria with a fear to get into problem, because we know how them deal with us. But how come our people, when you understand these things, them go come media, come they accuse us for media, and people who are supposed to stand for the other ones when they pass through stress, when they see the country, they will now withdraw. Say your people are saying you guys are the problem. So why are you crying on here? So bro, no matter how much them go come here to country guy you, just give them one reply. You know, let's see your handy for the so-called country. If everybody come on leave you, I believe so only you want to stay the country, Abby.
They go stay, they go
This na German, they sweet you. You see, today, this even these other parties, when they say this party is a very serious party, if you go check the people when they support them, I will tell you, say, Nigeria, they are among the people when they pray that party come in. Not because of other people, not because of Nigeria.
Because people will not get document, made them for do some
bro, Romania, they this country, they do all sorts of nasty things.
Nobody
disturb them. even
Romania,
these other countries when they say they get
Albania.
kicked, when they get kicked for their countries, they come here too. They do all sort of nasty things. You can never see their
Turkish.
people criticize them. Their people
There are
still
Turkish in
protect them.
Dortmund. Eh?
Of
I'm
course,
saying it live now. There's a street in
day.
Dortmund. Eh? There's a street in Dortmund. Police not
Bro,
they enter. Police, they don't go police for me.
we dey here for talk. No be here Turkish move Cameroon guy for Berlin.
Yes,
With
what
knife
did they do?
because of
Nothing.
parking space. Because of parking space.
Parking space.
You
carry
hear
knife,
say Cameroon people. You hear say Turkish people come begin to say why. But if to say na Naija do that thing, bro.
Me I tell na one
they
thing,
go
bro.
say,
Sorry
"Ah,
to
you
cut
just
you
swear
short,
our name."
bros. Me I tell na one thing. All these people
No,
now
bro,
don't know
thank
their
you.
method.
I
Country
just
wey
tell
me
you,
dey
I
so
just
let
tell
me
you,
know.
I just tell you
Big
this
stadium.
thing
Bro.
because
Thank you, my brother.
I just tell you this thing because no allow these people trigger you. These people, these our Naija people, especially some of them are Benin. Igbo not get time.
Bro, you know wetin
Igbos
these
not
people
get
they
time.
do
To be
now?
honest with
They'll
you,
send person
they
make they
Most
attack
people not
you.
really get time. That's true.
Igbos not
Most
get
people.
time, bro. These guys are hustling guys. I dey meet them well. Now this Benin's when they don't get, for example, they get 6 months contract. You know, the things say life don't finish. And most of them, they go carry them for working place.
Big savior, bro. Thank you.
They go
Thank you.
carry
Thank you.
them
God
for
bless you,
working
bro.
place. Carry
God
from
bless you.
working place, throw them come house. Our people will still blame you when they come carry for working place and you cause am. They will come carry you for bedroom. Our people will come and come blame you. They will go carry you for working place. Our people will come and come
Come
blame
on.
you. Where they want for carry when you
They'll
know go
carry
still
person for
speak for
school.
your
Wait
brother
for the
say
do hospital.
enough of
They'll
these
still come and say
things.
they'll come blame you. Say you not do well.
No,
You
Bro,
say
bro,
you're
may I
supposed to
tell
do the
you, our
hospital.
don't let
people
them
they do
trigger you,
nothing.
bro. Just stay on
Bro,
your sanity.
our
Just stay on
people
your
they
sanity, bro. Don't
support
let them
Thank you,
trigger you, man.
Oyibo,
One love,
MVP.
man.
Thank you,
Yeah.
Our
MBS.
people they
Thank you.
support
One love, bro.
Oyibo pass us. Our people they even they fight us for
Una good
Oyibo.
evening.
I noticed that thing. Our people they support Oyibo. They fight us. They support
Where?
Oyibo. If they do something, they support them.
Where?
They support them, yes. And these days, you know what these people they do? They'll send person they come, they attack you. If anything happen to you, they don't they investigate. You are your own. Now they send the now they when one tell me they say he said for attention. I can't say why. He say if you get problem with these people, they'll send boys, may they do you may they do you anything. They'll come arrest them, fake arrest. Oh, if they read that, they'll give them juice, carry check, give them, they'll sit down. You they think say maybe they don't arrest them. They'll say these people now we not safe even for this land. No we are safe again. Nigeria they'll say Boko Haram. Even here, one man went there my former city. The man want pension. That the man he remains small make the man pension. He go hospital and no come back again. They there now here you want receive pension for year they go greed. Don't use you to mad person. The system for so Igbo too nice.
My
You
brother,
never
good
too
evening.
you not know Igbo. Let me you say that too nice.
Tessie, thank you very much. I will tell them. I'll talk one story before I go in this life. What's happened for
They
Germany?
don't know Igbo people.
2 years ago. I'll tell you. I'll tell you.
Igbo too nice.
Yeah,
I
thank
pray.
you so much, Tessie.
Good evening, my brother.
Talk to us, Juliet. Talk to
Yeah,
us.
how you dey? Sorry for
I did fine.
the accident. Make I call am accident. You know, I see that day when you dey like, I know dey Germany. I dey hear so many Nigerians. Some of them they talk. You see those two Africans when talk to you now. One Gambia. I don't know the other one, the lady. So if what you want to do now, not just stay for this life. I will tell you my mind. No, I know say you dey vex the way some people tell the talk, but I will tell you no vex. Now my mind. You need to find contact with that girl. You understand? Forget all this with your Nigeria internet, all this TikTok when you they do. Fight for your rights. If not to go German embassy for Nigeria, find money, you go still make am. Not listen to anybody. No need to dey blame say na your papa or although your father not do well at all. You not get spirit. You not get spirit of forgiveness, even though you offend am. You not do well. At the moment you call her, he's supposed to dey there for you. You understand? I there for Norway for years. The time when Nigerians they come here, when they do some different things for here, she not they let us they look television. I won't tell you my mind. I don't stay here for a long time. So she know they let us they look but now you know if you see any person when you know hold paper, they know we. They can send one man when they call get one name. One Polish guy when they train as police. Now he remove all the whole Nigerians when they streets come off for here. Sometimes they fight. Before you see person they here now as Dake as Nigeria, you get paper. You understand? Some nonsense when Nigerians they do for journey. It not they happen for another place. I won't tell you the truth. As soon as you they work, if you go check, if they say make you no go your country, maybe na there the fault dey. Take your case out of social media, my brother. My mama na Isha, no sabi speak Isha well. My father na Bini. I beg. You go still fight your case. Take some of your case. All this advice, find the people when you know what they want, when you go learn from them. Go Nigeria and go German embassy, find money. If not for them, they go still fight the case for you. Because not be every day they come here, they talk, and so they do this one, so they not do. If something happen to you, wait, make I explain for you.
Explain.
If something happen to you, you go the listen, make person they talk. You not be small picking. If something happen to you, sometimes you go check yourself. Say, Abi, now wetin I do wrong. I don't know what you do to your father. I don't know the beginning. Now the day when you dey airport, because if like say person argue with you, say they collect your phone. I did that when you dey airport, even before your wife come. I see am. You understand? But I not be person when I be social media person. I dey inside social media. I know they climb up. I know they do life. I just want to do TikTok for fun. But since this thing they come, as I dey inside internet since now, I see say you dey life. The thing just see pop you. I want list. I dey listing. My brother, find people when you know say they will put you for life. All this if they really say make they deal with Nigeria, now only with this TikTok, our problem too much. Not be everything somebody supposed to do, even they talk for life. You understand me? So sometimes sit down, think, find people when you go still fight your case. You feel work for you. Not listen to any person come there, come begin they provoke you again. No, work on yourself. Yeah.
You see? Thank you. I appreciate you when you take talk. I don't remove you. You know why? Let me say I reverse for you. But if you they talk straight. Don't talk Ben word. If you talk Ben word, I don't know. See, I'm a psychologist. If you talk Ben word, I don't know.
Should they use brain? They won't curse you. Should they talk? They go to your talk.
I go remove you. And don't be anything that they talk for social media. If you are a silent person,
you say
me no want they keep me for silent. Me no they do silence something. Me no get what they hide for. If Tinubu they hide, you know, become president. If your family has also hide, they hide, they go. Now get which when they from up, they chop, who talk. Me go talk for my family, nothing they chop me. Anything where pan and winch, nothing they chop me. Make the thing come face to face. I know they fear anything. Removing me from Germany never end my life. Now me if I use my leg go Germany. It's that see, me and my papa battle round. I tell her say you no go fit deport me. True, I really spent 10 years. I tell her say 10 years I go spend. 10 years I go spend for Germany. I know they hide my own. Thank you, my brother. God bless you. I tell my papa, you not fit carry my pikin. Never over my dead body. For you to carry my pikin, I'll carry the command for Germany. We battle the battle. I battle. Now me use my leg come Nigeria when they take boat block me. As I did Germany, no boat block me one day. I come up for my first city. Wait for they collect money, they do one or two things. See, first they provoke me, not they provoke me. Let me see.
Sorry, Benjamin.
When you will talk, you will talk. Wait, you will talk. See, I come up for that city, go another city, Duisburg. They still continue their ways. I tell my husband, say, see, you will carry my children come up for this country. Bless how they tire for this country, so. That's how my life be. I don't already talk. A bill I say I don't tire for this country. If to say money when I keep for Nigeria, I see everything as I take keep on. Me for no even buy flight ticket. Allah, come to Germany. I even know my mom will carry children run by herself without me. I'll tell her say I said Nigeria, so I beg, come on for there. See, I'll give you the route. Come on. See where you go. They go now. That is my life. This one a battle. Now, I don't understand. Whether you like it, whether you don't like it. Now, show me that they talk, man. I don't get where for the talking. I don't know if you call the talker for your house. If I talk for my house, for inside house, you said no go hear them. I don't get anybody when I want to say, come say, come help me or come do this, come do that. I don't want to say anything social media. Because if I use and make parable, say if Nyash no good, they go open up for make public to see them.
So family will not do where they use that do content. Use that saga.
Yes. If off my live video. So that is it. Whether this one, whether that one, who won't give me advice? Know how you will take advice. Learn how you see. Talk your word. Don't try to insult me, because I'm not insulting you. You people see me. Did I come to insult anybody? Did I come to see? Since I started, I never enter one family. I said people won't throw mad to me, because you cannot see me in a situation. You listen to they laugh me or listen to they talk bad about me. I don't need them. And they could provoke well, and I still laugh past. I still smile past. So that's for that. Who want to talk again?
Hello, I beg, I fit talk.
Beg, go my first talk. I
God,
beg, put your account detail for up. I beg, put your account number for up.
You won't send me money?
People they write for the comment section. See, say your account detail, your account. I beg, put her.
Hello, I fit talk.
Miss Andrew, I beg. Miss Andrew, let me post them again. Make a pin.
Okay.
Let me post them.
Okay, no one.
I beg, I fit talk. God's favorites. I did.
Yeah, talk to us. Yes.
I be mommy. Oh, God bless you, Benjamin. Though.
Thank you.
I see everything. If I come TikTok, I see. But I did Dublin.
Okay.
You are like a son to me. You know what thing I go tell you? Just calm down. Make sure, say, because I dey follow your wife well, Vera. I love that lady. Make sure, say, you make them come out. Oh, you born no good though. I mean, they tell you I don't date Italy before we come Dublin. You understand? So
Yes.
I know as Oyibo they do. Oyibo no good. Come out your family. If na France or Spain or back to Italy, make them go with the children. Make them they safe. Now that's one I want advise you. I beg
you.
and keep everything. See, shh.
No
You
problem.
dey hear?
Yes,
My
yes.
son, keep your
Thank you.
mouth shut. Just save those children and your wife. Oyibo they do so. They fit even give person poison. I'm telling you.
Yes.
They fit. And your papa too, your papa no be better father. No be better father at all.
Like
Because just like what they said, that a first lady said, as far as your father has a passport, your father has the right to say, okay, right now I'm going to sign that my son is going to be under me. Anything that happens, you people can hold me. You understand me? Like me, now I have passport here. I can stand for somebody for that. You understand? So
Yes.
for a father to do that, no matter whatever, that's why I don't know, maybe he's not a Christian. No matter what your pikin do, how you go do your pikin like this. So he wants you to suffer, which is very bad. And anybody where they social media, we're saying a content creator or whatever they are, and they are using it to mock you, that your father, you do, pikin they cause him parent. Now me, I get some will be like you. Sometimes they don't understand. Pikin don't understand finish, but I no go take that one. Make I destroy my pikin future. You understand?
Yes.
Tomorrow he no go die. No be you go bury him. So you know, just take the first advice when I tell you, come on, Vera and the children. Then keep quiet. Shh. Any other thing where you they do, just know what thing you they do. You hear my song. God go protect you. God go guide you. You hear?
Amen, Mama. Amen.
So, God
Amen.
bless you. God
Thank
bless
you so much, ma. I appreciate it.
Yeah,
I appreciate
bye.
it. Yeah, bye.